We baking these beans. We baking these beans. B&B reward pool with the tastiest daily return. Lowest down. We baking these beans. We baking these beans. We gonna continue to bake these beans. Almost 100 million payout daily. Good afternoon, YouTube. Back for another video with baked beans. She baking. Daily cash flow. You can use it to pay your rent, credit cards, dates, whatever you want to use baked beans for. She's delivering. Constant, consistent cash flow coming into your rewards. You can rebake it or you can eat. Your choice. Whatever you choose to do is your prerogative. However, I'm not your financial advisor. I'm just on here to show you how I'm creating cash flow daily. So this baby here is continuing to kick 4,161 B&B contracts. And I'm almost up to 97 million beans. Lord, it continues to grow. It's a monster. And I do feel like it can be around for a while. So let's go into this contract. And it's almost up to 1.9 million. I got in this baby, it was like maybe 200,000. It just continues to grow. It's a monster. Just showing the transactions of people selling and hatching. I still don't think it's too late to get in. They have a lot of great things coming. So let's just go into the Telegram group and see what's going on. What is 5,028 members now? They suggest you compound 6 days a week and eat 1 day a week. And I guess that way you'll maximize your profits. Just a little Telegram group. They're giving out information here. So do the 300 million, 1 to 1 billion beans will get removed from the group. So they hit 1 billion. So somebody got 1 billion beans. Goodness. So I know like with my 97 million, it's about like $160 a day in beans. So I would like to get mine up to about 250 million. So that'll be a whole B&B every day. And then just, you take maybe a weekly profit and you continue to reinvest. But guys, these DeFi projects are lasting longer. So, no one knows the day or the hour that this will leave, but it appears like they're in it for the long haul. You have guys in there already that are making, $1,000 a day in this platform. So it's not too late to get in. I'll put a description. I'll put the link to sign up in the description. But beans is still paying. Like I said, this is a blessing. You can use it to pay rent, car notes, for whatever you want to do. It's just a nice thing to be involved in. I actually cashed out on Monday, almost a whole B&B. So that's about $360. Like I said, I'm not your financial advisor. I'm just throwing up ideas to make that cash flow so we can get on with our life. If you like this video, subscribe, comment, give me some ideas, guys. Any other ideas or any platforms you may want me to check out, I will. And I'll be throwing up a couple other platforms in the very near future. Until next time, signing off.